Hi guys, in this video we are going to talking about the easiest way how to remember some important facial muscles. So I am going to start from the frontal portion. You know that this is our frontal portion and this is our occipital portion. The first muscle which connects the frontal portion with the occipital portion is known as occipitofrontalis muscle. Here is three parts are present: frontal belly, occipital belly and cranial belly. Now I am coming to this muscle. This is known as procerus muscle. The main function of this muscle is making transverse lines like wrinkles. Now here two muscles are more present, which is known as corrugator muscles. The main function of these muscle is making vertical lines. They make vertical lines on our forehead. Now I am coming to this portion. This portion is known as orbicularis oculi portion, which contains about orbicularis oculi muscles, which contains three parts. The first is palpebral, second is orbital, and third is lacrimal. The function of palpebral is closing of eyelids, blinking of eyes, and the function of this orbital portion is protection our eyes from sunlight and raindrops. The function of this lacrimal part is about the opening of lacrimal sacs for absorption of lacrimal fluids. Now I am coming to this portion. This muscle is known as compressor nasi muscle. It compresses our nasal aperture. Here is the depressor nasi muscle is present. It depresses our nasal aperture. Here we know that this is our zygomatic bone is present. So there are two muscles is present: zygomatic minor and zygomatic major. The main function of zygomatic minor is to lift up our upper lip, and the function of zygomatic major is making smiles. When we make any smiles, then our zygomatic major is performing. Here the other muscle is present: levator levi superioris. How we can remember its name? Levator levi superioris. Here is the simplest way. We know that the main function of the meaning of levator is lift up, and levi means lips. So the function of this muscle is lift up our lips. Here the some buccinator muscle is present, which makes our buccal portion and some other things. And here our two muscles more present. This is known as depressor angularis oris. The function of this muscle is making the angle of our lips of ends of our lips. Here the depressor levi inferioris is present. Depressor levi inferioris. The function of depressor levi inferioris is it depresses our lower lips. Now we are coming to this muscle. This is known as mentalis. The function of this makes the expressions of chin. Here is our platysma muscle is present. The function of this platysma muscle is making the angles of our mouth. Here our sternocleidomastoid muscle is present, which connects our neck with our this portion, the head portion. So that's it for today's video. If you have any question, then comment me in the comment section. Thank you.